This is my IP, my local IP. Click next, next, and I will type new password for P user. Next. Okay, restart the system. The last thing to do is go to Preferences and Raspberry Pi configuration. Go to the interfaces and enable SSH. This is your hostname, so we don't have to set IP. We're always using the hostname to get to access to disk storage, and we can click OK. Now it's time to insert our flash drive. Okay, just cancel, and you have to eject all of drives and eject second one. Okay, first let's try to connect to our Raspberry Pi by host. Okay, perfect. Switch to super user and type apt update. Apt install mdadm. We need this to create RAID. Let's check our block ID. So blk ID, and what is interesting is our disk. So I have disk 1 and disk 2 label. Each one has 16 gigabytes. We would like to create a software RAID, so it's mdadm is create verbose def md0 level equals stripe. Stripe means two flash disk will be joined together. So I would like to create one big disk with 32 gigabytes. If you want create a mirror, so which means one disk is 16 gigabytes and another one is exactly copy of first one. So if your data is very, very important, you can create a mirror. So just instead of stripe, type mirror, and that's it. So we'll be write one, but I will focus on stripe for now, and I will create write devices equal to first off is def sda1 and second def sdab. So just tell them def sda1 and second is def sdb1. So exactly like here, sdb1, sda1. Okay, great. Okay, let's confirm RAID array. So cat proc md stat. Perfect, we have active mdo RAID 0, sdb1, sda1. We have a RAID 0. We have to save this array mdadm detail scan etc mdadm conf, and of course you can see etc mda. You should have a line on the bottom with your ID. If you have, everything is okay. Now it's time to create a file system. So make file system dot ext4 minus v minus m dot 1 minus b 4096 minus capital E stride equal 32, comma, and stripe width equals 64 on def MD0. Alright, we have to wait. Time to mount disk def MD0 on MNT and type BLKID plug ID. You should see, yes, new device MD0 with this unique ID. It's very important because we need to copy in the few seconds. We can add to file system this ID, so copy. And first, before we do some changes, just copy etc fs tab to etc fs tab back. And now we can type nano etc fs tab, and you can add unique ID equal and paste this ID in mount sx4 defaults default 0 0. Ctrl X, Y, and enter. Now it's time to install a sharing system like Samba. So apt install Samba and Samba common pin. I will leave no. Okay, before we start make changes in Samba config, let's create a backup. So cp etc Samba smbconf to etc Samba smb conf back. Now you can type nano etc Samba smbconf. Okay, go to the bottom of the file. First we create a public folder with access for everyone. So it's easy, path will be MNT. You can add comment equal NAS public and just creatable equal yes and request OK equal yes. So save and etc initd smbd restart. Alright, and go to connect to server and type Raspberry Pi host or IP, connect and check connect as guest, select the public, and you have access to your public folder here, and you can copy, you can create new folder, and you have access with like everyone has access as well, so you can keep those movies, documents, everything you want. Everyone has access, so everyone can copy or delete without your permission. So it's very dangerous, but it's possible. Alright, so now we can go to computer and eject this folder, this public. So I will show you how to give access to new user, because if before you add user to Samba, user must exist in your system. So just for example, I add user ABCD. This will be user ABCD, password. Alright, and now you have to add this user ABCD to Samba service. So SMB pass WD -a ABCD with password. Alright, and again we have to edit Samba config. Go to the bottom, we can delete, and this time create folder ABCD for that user. So this is a good practice when you create folder the same name like user, the same path, read only equal no, and create mode we should give a full access for owner and restricted access for everyone. So directory mode the same, readable, of course yes, and valid user access only for ABCD. Just save, restart Samba service, and this time try to go connect to server and select register user, will be ABCD, password, let's check. Of course you can create folder, you can copy file, everything else. So as ABCD is your folder, and again, so please go to the computer, remove ABCD, and try connect as guest. Go to the connect to server and try connect to guest with access to ABCD. So as you see, there was a problem because you have no access to this folder. Nobody has access and you can't connect to your folder. This is how it works, and let's again ABCD. Now you have access. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy and I hope I helped you. So thanks again and see you in next video.